Hi, Justin.
Hello po, ma'am.
Justin, can you introduce yourself to our viewers?
Okay, I am Ryan Justin Vinarao Reynes po. I am 23. I am from Delfin Albano, Isabela. And ayun po, I am a working student and also a advocate for PWD.
All right. Congratulations, Justin, kasi you are the official candidate of your municipality.
Thanks
Ano
so much.
nararamdaman mo ngayon?
I am very grateful po no, for the opportunity that has been given unto me, and especially for me, it is an honor to represent my municipality, which is Delfin Albano, and also an honor rin po to represent and to stand as a representative of PWDs.
Yan. And first time ko lang marinig yung municipality mo.
Ako.
So, anong unique or something na meron sa municipality mo
Ayun.
na pagmamalaki mo?
Bali, sa Isabela po, isa po yung Delfin Albano talaga sa pinaka-unique. Kasi we all know that Isabela celebrates Bambandi Festival and we celebrate harvest. It is also known for its golden grain dahil sa palay at sa mais. But Delfin Albano itself celebrates a different festival which is Bangkarera Festival. We are known for our bangka. No? Dahil po kasi sa kadahilalan na noong matagal na po na panahon, mga year 2000 and past pa po, wala pa pong tulay sa amin. So, we do pagbabangka or bangkero para po makatawid makapunta sa bayan. So, yung po yung pinaka naging source of income ng mga taga Delfin Albano. Ganun na rin po na pag-transport ng mga goods and then ng iba pa pong mga kailangan po natin.
Yeah. I'm also curious, what made you decide to join King of the World Philippines this year?
Ayun, this is a very interesting question po, no? Actually, wala pa po sa isip ko noon na sumali sa mga national pageant. Kasi feeling ko marami pa dapat akong matutunan. But indeed, meron po akong isang sinalin na isang competition which is university meet po siya, isang school-based pageant po siya. And then one of the judges bumulong po sa akin. Sabi niya po sa akin na sumali na daw po ako national pageant. So I got curious kung ano po yung national pageant na yun. I tried to walk in po and luckily and blessedly nakapasa naman po tayo sa screening. So nandito po tayo ngayon. Official candidate na po tayo.
Well, again, congratulations.
Uh,
So, you mentioned na nag-pageant ka na dati.
yes po.
Actually, tanong ko to sa lahat ng contestant eh.
Okay.
Anong lesson ang nakuha mo doon sa mga experiences na yun na dinala mo dito sa King of the World?
One of the biggest lesson that I've learned sa mga naging past pageants ko po and mga nakuha ko po na crown is pageantry is not just a title. Pageantry is not just a competition, but indeed it is a platform where we can be able to carry our advocacies, our responsibilities, and maging silbi na rin po siyang, kumbaga, sandigan po natin bilang mga Pilipino kasi we all know that Philippines itself is known for being beautiful, not just beautiful, but intellectually capable. So, indeed, yung natutunan ko po talaga, ito po yung embodiment na rin natin bilang isang Pilipino na we are known in this kind of competition. Now we can be great, we can be something, and we can be somebody na kaya pong tingalain na ibang tao.
Ayan. And you mentioned about your advocacy, which is for the PWD.
Yes po.
I'm curious, are you part of that community?
Yes po, actually I am a part of PWD. Kaya nga po nabanggit ko rin po nung nag-introduce po kasi kanina, I am a representative itself kasi I am diagnosed with lazy eye syndrome. So bali ito pong left eye ko, yung nerve cells niya po ay mahina na po siya, kaya po siya tinawag na lazy eye syndrome. So merong mga times kapag pagod na po ako masyado, yung left eye ko po medyo tatagilid po siya and then parang magiging duling po ako. And honestly, kapag tinakpan ko naman po yung right eye ko, blurry na po lahat. So, hindi na po siya ganun kalakas talaga yung aking left eye. So, at that point rin naman po, may salamin talaga ako, hindi ko naman po siya sinusuot kasi tabingi po siya kapag sinuot ko kasi sobrang bigat po ng salamin sa may left eye ko. Ayun po.
Ayan. Actually, it's a good thing na you highlight this advocacy.
Apo.
And ano siguro ang magiging message mo sa mga kapwa mo PWD na
Ayun.
merong struggles,
Mm.
especially on siguro on their their schools or workplace and their community in general?
To be honest, ayun po yung mahirap talaga sa pagiging DPWD, no? And also kahit ako rin po, naging biktima po ako ng discrimination way back I was in elementary and high school. And kahit ngayon pa rin naman po, meron pa rin po mga ilan-ilan na nakakaranas pa rin po ako ng unfair treatment, discrimination. But indeed, my message to all PWD out there, no? And sa lahat rin po ng mga nadadown sa sarili nila na yung mga weaknesses natin ay hindi po nagde-define sa atin, but indeed it make us authentic. And naniniwala po ako na yung weaknesses po natin is a tool po siya to be able to have a progression in this life and also to inspire other people.
Ayan. And lastly, what is your message to all of your supporters, especially from your municipality and Isabela in general, and of course, all over the Philippines and the world?
Ayun. To all Delphine Albanians and mga Isabelinos, thank you so much po sa suporta po nila. I really felt the love and I encourage you more to please support me in this journey sa King of the World Philippines. And ganun na rin po sa mga kakilala ko po sa Mindanao and Visayas and sa mga friends ko po dyan.
So thank you so much, Justin,
Thank you so much.
from Delphine
Albano.
Alfano, Isabela, for King of the World Philippines 2026. And good luck on your pageant journey.
Thank you so much po, ma'am.